The nose, all of that. Hi guys.
Hello.
Today I am with a special friend, best friend, Sade.
Hello.
Today we're going to do a mukbang. I know half of you guys go city and probably excited to see this video. So today we are eating from Absurd Bird, and what we ordered was
Crispy fried chicken burgers, a mac and cheese and fries. And we have 2 drinks.
Yeah, got KA. Okay, over here we got some mac and cheese. Okay, focus. Our burgers, chips. She got her burgers and tomatoes and yeah. Goodbye. I don't know what to start with. I want to start with the mac and cheese. I want to taste it. Look. Right.
Is there lettuce and mayo in the burger?
I think so. Yeah.
Oh, there's tomato in there. I don't like tomato.
Take it out. The mac and cheese is nice. Very nice.
Look how big the tomato is.
You want to try the mac and cheese?
Yeah.
It's nice, isn't it?
It's nice.
Very.
Oh, I like it.
I think I'll order from here again, you know. The chips are salty though.
No, but I like salty chips.
You like salty chips? Yeah. Okay. It's too much.
So, what have you done today?
What did I do today? Went Saturday to school.
Me too.
And both went Saturday to school. I left at the school. Came back. Was with friends. Then came home.
I went to Westfield. Then I came back. Then I went to Westfield again to get a jacket. Then I came back again. That's what I go. What are you doing tomorrow?
I don't even know. I don't think I'm gonna come out. I don't know. I need to do homework.
I don't know, yeah. I might stay in.
Stay.
I'm going to buggy you.
Wait, I'm gonna turn around in a minute. Because mac and cheese from accident.
Is that coleslaw?
Yeah, apparently.
Why did I put coleslaw in it?
Just try it. Might taste nice. Right, who can know? Oh yeah. So we just started.
Do you like tomatoes?
No.
It's kind of nice, you know.
Yeah.
Burger.
You think it's better than the chicken and chip shop? Do you prefer that one or this one?
I don't know. Your one's got barbecue sauce in it.
Your one has as well.
No, it doesn't.
It does. It's got
Yours
the
has got
same.
loads though.
Ugh.
But yeah.
Your mum got loads. I don't even eat barbecue sauce like that. I don't even have barbecue sauce like that.
That's quite nice though.
Yeah.
Sauce on your lip. The mac and cheese is really nice, you know.
I can't do it.
Just
I'll probably get that times 10.
This is very nice.
Very.
If you're gonna order food from Uber Eats, get mac and cheese from
Okay. Yeah. Sorry.
Don't want to hear it. I think you didn't like tomatoes. So why did you even pick one up?
Just want to try it.
I like tomato, I don't like onion. I don't like lettuce. I like sweet corn.
I like lettuce. Cucumber. That's it.
I'm full up.
Ready? Okay.
Can't get the lid on. Oh, there you go. Wait. Ah, right. Let me eat now. It's nice. The mac and cheese is nice.
Lovely.
The chips ain't even that salty.
Mm-mm.
No, it's not.
Mm-mm.
Let me put more salt in it. Do you know they're not salty at all?
Yes, they are.
You can't even see the salt.
Just kind of look. So nice.
Do you know all I've eaten today is I had a Big Mac and chips. That was like
When you were breakfast?
When
you were breakfast?
before that.
I'm starting to get full up now.
It's filling in it. The bag is nice though. Why did you get this drink? Why did you get this drink?
I don't know what you were drinking.
No, I like it.
I know you want to burp, just burp.
I don't burp. I'm a lady.
What are you trying to say?
I want to take the coast guard exposure. Oh. These are my confessions. That song's been in my head for like 6 days.
If I'm gonna tell it, then I how come? I don't know what to do, but to my confession. Okay.
Yeah, we burped like 6 times. It's actually nice, you know. I've never eaten from this place before. Where is it?
I have no, I don't know. Okay.
Oh, they're hot.
I know. These are with some loaded.
They're buffalo wings.
I'm scared. And they're hot. that's it.
Shit.
Oh, I don't know.
They're spicy, but they're not spicy. Like,
Yeah.
I don't know how to explain it. It's like, it tastes like they put spicy seasoning on it, but it's not spicy. Like, it won't hurt your tongue. It's nice actually.
It's burned in my fingers.
Do you know where people from the city are going to watch this video?
Oh. Like, comment and subscribe.
Share.
Share. No, that's it. It's hurt my chest now.
What? It's not spicy.
No,
at
that
all.
I can feel it going down.
Oh, I can't. I think I prefer chicken shop burger, you know.
Yeah.
But I think chicken shop burger is better. Where is this restaurant place? I've never heard of it. I've never heard of it.
I've never heard of it until today.
What do you...
I felt something.
Oh my god, okay. What do you rate the food so far?
Probably a 6 or 7. What do you rate? Same. I think it's the coleslaw.
I scraped it out. Look. It's nice.
And they put too much barbecue sauce in there.
I had barely any, to be honest. Look what I did.
I'm full.
So my belly's gonna explode. Oh well. Eat some tomatoes.
Yeah.
I've never actually eaten tomato. Like, I've eaten tomato, yeah, but I don't like it. The last time I ate tomato was like years ago.
I can't remember the last time I ate tomato.
Like 20 seconds ago.
Oh!
Do you burp every time you drink? Fizzy drink? Every time you take a sip?
Yeah.
Do you know what makes me burp? A lot. Iron brew. You should have got me that, you know? Iron brew. That's the best drink ever.
I should have got Dr. Pepper.
That makes me burp as well. Have you ever had iron brew? Do you like it?
Sure.
Should have got me some. Did you look for it?
I actually didn't know.
Did you not have it? Did you go to that one?
Yeah.
I'm so full up.
Same.
My belly is gonna explode. But I'm gonna keep eating.
I sit of that.
Do you know, yeah? I have a severe case of niggeritis. I need to go sleep.
I need to go sleep as well. I'm tired.
It's when I eat, yeah. When I eat too much, I need to sleep.
I get that. Right. Oh my god, you've seen that video, yeah? The guy says he's gonna teach the women how to beatbox for like 2 minutes, yeah. And then the guy tells her to copy after him.
Pardon. Oh my god. The whole video is burping. Anyways, go on.
And then she copies after him. Yeah, it's so. Oh, wait, I'll send you the video. So funny. Oh my god.
Oh my god, do you know, yeah, I'm so full up. But I'm still eating. I need to stop. This mac and cheese is really nice.
I can't chew them, my jaw hurts.
Is your mouth burning or something?
I can't chew.
You wipe your lip. Wipe your lip. Here. Yeah, that looks nice. What did you do? Did you just wash it?
Washed it. And then I put
Is that why I was sitting here waiting for you to wash your hair?
Yep. Come on.
Just fill up.
There's something on the top.
Yeah. You're burping like a madman.
Ooh. I'm so full. I don't even know. Maybe with the next video on Sade's like culture food.
Food from Guyana. Guyanese food.
Yeah, that.
Caribbean food.
Same shit, different toilet.
Okay. Yeah, we eat like curry chicken. You know that, isn't it? Roti. Wait. Pardon. We eat something here called hot pepper pot. No, it's like a pot. I actually don't know what it is. It's just like there's meat in it, yeah. And I don't know what it is. And it's like a soup, but it's not soup. And you put bread in it, and it's like dip harder bread or whatever bread in it. You don't use like normal bread. I think it's like harder bread. You dip it in it, and you eat it, and then you eat the meat. It's nice. It's really nice, and it's dark. And what else do we eat? Dal. You know what dal is, right?
I said that's a type of bread.
It's like food, yeah, and Indian people eat it.
It's a bread.
No, it's not. Roti's bread. Roti's like a bread, but it's not bread. Chapati. Chapati. I think that's bread, you know. Is that bread?
Yeah, it's like a bread.
Yeah, it's a bit like chapati is basically like roti. What else do we eat? I don't know. I don't really eat it. We eat chow mein.
Oh, stop.
You don't know what chow mein is?
That Chinese food.
Yeah.
Oh.
Because bare Chinese people in Ghana. Anyways, what else do we eat? What do people from Zanzibar eat?
Do you know what you're just explaining? That soup kind of thing. We had the same thing.
Like the one I ate the other day?
No. This one's thicker though. You put like meat in there.
Oh yeah, we eat soup, yeah. Once I ate soup at my granddad's house, yeah. Do you know what meat was in the soup? Iguana. And do you know, yeah, it was bare nice. It tasted like chicken. But like, it tasted like slimy chicken. But it wasn't that slimy. Oh, whatever.
I said like
You
a-
don't.
I said
Your
iguana,
country
like a-
eats something as well. Basically, yeah. In Guyana, yeah. In Georgetown, a lot of people, yeah, that's the main city. In the main city, a lot of people don't eat bushmeat. My granddad, he's not from Georgetown. He's from like some next ends. So he eats bushmeat. Like he catches the meat and he eats it. And I don't know how, but he got it from Guyana to England.
How?
A whole iguana. And we ate it. It was nice. I think me and my granddad was the only people that ate it though. Everyone else didn't want to eat it.
Well, because it's iguana.
Yeah, but it was nice. Actually, I think my dad ate it as well. But I don't know. But it was nice. My mum was there as well.
Really?
If your mum ate that, my mum was gonna vomit. That was nice though. It was nice. What else do we eat? Oh, sorry, I interrupted you. Go on.
Wait, well, but yeah, we eat it's like a thick soup, and then that meat
What's
in
it
there,
called?
potatoes. We call it a Zanzibar mix. And yeah, there's potatoes in it, there's meat. You can put bread in it if you want.
Do you like it?
Yeah, it's nice.
What else do
We eat biryani as well.
Oh, I love biryani. But I get it from Indian.
My mum makes it.
What, lamb biryani,
Yeah.
chicken biryani.
Both. What else do we eat?
Do you know we eat that, yeah, in Guyana, but we don't call it that. We call it cook-up rice.
What do you call that?
Cook-up rice.
Okay.
That's what we
Learned
eat.
something
It's the
new
same
today.
thing. Same thing. But we call it cook-up rice. Actually, it's the same thing. It's like it's got meat in it and it's rice and they season it and all that. It's nice. It's nice. It's nice.
What else do we eat?
I'm trying to think. We
Yeah.
eat what's that animal called? Curry duck. That's nice. We eat liver, yeah. But I don't know, I think it's from a cow. Like I don't know what liver it is.
We eat liver as well.
Yeah.
And kidney.
I've never tasted kidney, but I think we eat kidney, but I don't know.
Yeah, but
I've never tasted it.
I don't eat
have
it.
you
though.
have you eaten the liver?
I don't eat it.
You don't eat liver? It's nice, you know.
I don't eat it.
It doesn't taste like liver. Like you wouldn't think that you're eating liver.
Yeah, but just thinking that liver, we've got it as well. What else do we eat?
My other family, yeah. We eat do you know what I ate the other day? What's that thing called? Chicken foot soup. I had chicken foot soup. And you know the chicken foot, yeah?
The nails, all of that.
I didn't really eat it, yeah, but
Do you guys
my uncle's
the
like,
nails? That's nasty. So you get every.
I didn't put like the chicken foot in my like soup. I just had the soup without the chicken foot. But it's chicken foot soup. What else? Cow foot. Cow foot. I've never tried it though. What else?
If I'm gonna tell it, then I gotta tell it all.
Oh, actually no.
Well, I don't even listen.
You see when we eat roti, yeah, there's two different types. There's one called dal puri, and I can't remember what the other one is. I think it's called like butter or something like that. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know. I just eat. I don't ask what it is.
But mom cooks like spag bowl.
Yeah. So, we're gonna end the video right.
We rate the food
here.
altogether a 7.5.
Yeah.
Well, do you agree?
Yeah.
Because it was nice. I just don't like that they put coleslaw in the burger. Who puts
Yeah,
coleslaw in burgers?
disgusting. Didn't taste
That
right.
day you came to my house, you put coleslaw in your sandwich.
But
You put coleslaw in your sandwich when you come to my house.
no, I don't.
Who does that?
I don't do that.
Whatever. She put coleslaw in the sandwich.
No, I don't. She's lying.
Whatever.
Anywho,
We're gonna end the video now.
yeet.
So I'll come back for another one
Hopefully. Yes, you will.
soon.
Soon. I think we're Nando's
Pardon.
next. We were meant to be Nando's today.
No, we should do something that we've never tried, like sushi.
No, they already did a video on sushi.
Okay.
If you do Nigerian food. No,
If
Congolese
you want, if you want,
food.
if you want.
Okay.
So
Actually,
hold on.
I'll
So you don't want to
that
try my country's food, but you want to try caterpillars. You know what?
No. Anyways, boy.